You land the job, you finish the project, you get the compliment, and instead of feeling proud, a familiar voice whispers, "You can't do anything right. You don't know how to do anything. That was weak. I would have done it better." This is imposter syndrome, which your narcissistic parent takes advantage of. But what if I told you it's not a syndrome at all? For many, it's not a random anxiety, it's a haunting. The ghost of a narcissistic father living rent-free in your mind. Today, we'll use Carl Jung's map to evict this ghost and reclaim the home that is your authentic self. To understand this, we need to see how a narcissistic parent operates. Their love is often conditional, based on you reflecting their glory. Your authentic achievements are a threat because they signify you are a separate person. As a child, to survive emotionally, you had to create a false self, a persona that was designed to please him. The A student, the perfectly behaved child. This wasn't you. It was a performance for survival. The problem is, you internalized his voice. That critical, never satisfied tone became your own. Jung would call this an autonomous complex, a split-off part of your psyche that now operates on its own, constantly auditing your every move, just like he did. This is the root of your imposter syndrome. It's not that you feel like a fraud, it's that you were trained to feel this way. So, when you achieve something as an adult, this internal auditor panics. It screams, "This success doesn't belong to the real you. The real you is the one I've been telling is inadequate for years." So how do we dismantle this? Not by fighting it, but by understanding and integrating it. Here are 2 practical exercises. Take your notebook. We're going to expose this critic for who he really is. Draw a simple sketch or give a name to your internal auditor. Is it the judge, the ghost? This externalizes it, making it an object to observe, not the truth you are. Write down his most common criticisms. Be specific. You only got that job because no one else applied. There's always something wrong with you. You don't know how to do anything. Now, for each criticism, trace it back. Ask, when did I first hear this message? Whose voice does this truly sound like? Write that down next to it. You only got that job because. Source, my father. When I got a job that allows me to develop professionally, there's always something wrong with you. Source, my father. Every time I go to the doctor, you don't know how to do anything. Source, my father. Every time I show him my art. This exercise proves in black and white that this voice is not yours. It's a recording. You are hosting your father's critical spirit. The auditor steals your successes. We're going to build a bank vault he can't break into. Enter a relaxed state. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Build your inner vault. In your mind's eye, construct a magnificent, impenetrable vault. This is your psychic territory. Design the door, the lock, the interior. Make it feel absolutely secure. Make a deposit. Now, bring to mind one small, recent achievement. Something the auditor dismissed. It could be finishing a task, a kind word you said, a problem you solved. Imagine this achievement as a beautiful, glowing object, a gem, a coin, a scroll. Now, in your imagination, walk to your vault, open it, and place this object inside. As you lock the door, say to yourself, "This is mine. It belongs to me. No one can take it from me. This isn't just visualization. This is a neurological command." You are teaching your brain that your achievements are real, they are yours, and they are safe from internal sabotage. The goal is not to become arrogantly confident, completely free of doubt. The goal of Jungian work is integration. It's to acknowledge the auditor's existence, thank it for trying to protect you from disappointment, and then gently tell it, "I am the authority in my life now." Your services are no longer required in this way. You move from being a fraud, afraid of being caught, to a conscious human being who sometimes feels doubt but knows it for what it is. An echo from the past, not the truth of the present. Our mission this week: perform just one deposit into your achievement vault. One small win, and if you feel comfortable, share in the comments what it felt like to claim something as your own. Remember, the feeling of being an imposter is the shadow cast by your own bright and very real light. And remember, you are not alone.